Holy cow, look at this humongous box. Okay, I'm gonna cut this open, see if we can get inside. Snippy with the magnet. Super tough plastic. Okay, open it all up. Put Snippy away. I think we can slide it sideways. Oh, there's some tape on the side still. Bottom. And okay. Well, that's a pain in the ass. It's humongous. Oh no, it's not coming off. I need to sorry. Oh, finally. This is a sewing machine, SE 3800D. They had a newer model, but the guy said the older one was better, so we decided to get this one, which was on display. So you got a pretty good discount. Have no idea what that is. Okay. Let's see what they have. The Innovis EMS 30 series. Okay, this is the embroidery position, I guess. And I'm working at the split, just trying to open this stuff. Embroidery stuff. It has the hoop, and little hoop. So it comes with 3 hoops. And this is the embroidery attachment. See how it looks. So this is the arm, and it sticks in over here, and you'll be sewing the embroidery on this area right here. Like this. So it'll move around and it'll do that. Okay, next box in this giant box of messes. Yeah, you might hear some off-camera sounds, but yeah, these things are pretty heavy and big. Bigger than I thought they would be. They have some styrofoam packing here. And there's a Disney. It's a Disney model, I guess. And how will I take this out? Let me put this sideways. These things really suck. Sorry if you see the back of my head. That's all part of the show. Oh, it's big. It's big. I wish that's what she said, but that's not. Okay, you got Winnie the Pooh here. SC 3800D. Brother at your side. I wish brother was at my side right now, helping me unpack this. Okay. Open it up. It has a manual, quick checklist and other little stuff. Okay, this is also, it comes with some thread and some cables and stuff like that. Let me pull this off. And what is this? Oh, this is like a thread. I think it says 39 threads. We're thinking they didn't put this in for us because there's a display model. Oh, look, the whole thing, shebang. Good, that's cool, that's cool. We're getting there. And I'm running out of space. Okay, how will we bring this out? Cannot pull this up, so I have to go sideways again. Sorry, you may see some crack. You see some crack, I'm sorry. You say no to crack. Oh, you can pull it out, okay. I could have pulled it out. Move this up again. Oh my God. I am working up a sweat here. And I never work out. This. I have no idea what that is. Looks like a case. Looks like it's a case. Okay. Taking off the case. Handle for it. And there it is, the shebang. Looks nice. Has Disney marks on top of it. And there you go. I'm out of breath. Thank you.